time to make a cooking show. Cooking Commodore, Carver Cookador, chefing Carver Commodore. I'm going to be the first to do this experiment, and I'm going to make some fried chicken sandwiches and some sweet potato fries and one bonus thing as well, but I'm not going to tell you what that is yet because it may be horrible. I've got some chicken thighs in here that have been brining in this buttermilk for a while. I brined them in pickle juice before that for like 14 hours or something. We've got this other chicken thigh that wouldn't fit in the pickle jar when I was brining them, so I figured I might as well use one that's just normal. Some mayonnaise for the buns, some buffalo sauce. We got some salt, pepper, chili powder, cayenne, tapatio hot sauce to put in with the egg for the batter, some cornstarch, some canola oil, 4 eggs, a sweet potato, obviously, for the sweet potato fries, the buns for the sandwich, these are sweet Hawaiian roll kind of things, flour, obviously, random things that are not really ingredients but are essential, heavy bottom pot for frying, cutting board, one for chicken, one for potato, fry spoon with the slats in it, meat thermometer so you can check to see if the chicken's done, bunch of bowls, one of these for eggs and one for flour, and then this cool paper plate to put the chicken on before I fry it. So, I'm going to start by cutting up the chicken. Alright, here we are. We've got this buttermilk chicken. I'm going to drain some of this buttermilk out first.
Buttermilk's gross.
Okay, so we got some of the buttermilk out. Let's see. That's not too thick. Alright, so how you like that? Use a good knife. Trash bowl. So we're going to put these gross chicken trimmings in the trash bowl. Everybody needs a trash bowl in their life. Sometimes you gotta put the people you love in the trash bowl. You know, if it's a toxic relationship. So now, we got our 4 eggs here. We're going to crack them. Get them in here. Honestly, one of my biggest fears is eating eggshells in food. Or hair. Alright, mix up the eggs. Alright, so we got our eggs. I'm going to add some pepper to the eggs. Add some pepper to this as well. And tapatio, a little hot sauce to the egg mixture. Then I'm going to add some chili powder to the flour. That's probably 2.5 cups of flour. It's probably like a teaspoon of chili powder. I don't know. Cayenne pepper. Same thing. Maybe a little more cayenne pepper. It's not really hot. Whoa. A little salt. Some cornstarch. Just do 2, this is a teaspoon I guess, so just do 2 of those. Just gonna make it a little thicker. Thick! With 2 C's. And a Q and a U and an E. Got our trash bowl, so it's starting to build up. Preheat the oven. Let's do the oven on 375 and start heating up our oil as well. All right, here we go. This is the oil, canola oil. We're just gonna dump it all in. Mix up my egg mixture a little bit more here. Same thing with my flour. Okay, I'm gonna heat up the oil. I'm gonna turn it up like medium high. I want the oil to be around 300. Take our chicken, put it in the egg mixture, both sides real good. Oh yeah, put it side by side so we don't make a big old mess. Then we're gonna dump it in the flour. flour mixer, and I'm gonna do that a few times. Drag it through, yeah. Those little crumbles. I love me a good crumble. Egg mixture looking good. I think that'll be enough for sure. I'm gonna drag it. Oh yeah. Get it in all the little cracks and nooks and crannies. Yeah. It's not normally what my sneezes sound like. I was too self-conscious about what it was going to sound like to just be natural. So I made it sound like idiot sneeze. Getting our little pieces. Cute. There you go. Now we got to get this bad boy open. My gross fingies. Y'all gotta help me remember. Piece on top is the piece that has not been brined. Let's check our oil over here. Fahrenheit, that's right. We're not Canadian or any other part of the world. We're American and we're doing stuff, do it last, like usual. It's at like 223, 224 right now. So I'm gonna turn the heat down just a little bit so it doesn't get up there too quick. And while I'm waiting on that, I am going to drink some water, important. Then I'm gonna mess with this bad boy. This is usually my meat cutting board, but I accidentally used the vegetable cutting board for the meat because I'm an idiot. That was real. Wash my knife real quick. My allergies are killing me. Sniffing, sneezing, watery, itchy eyes. Watery, itchy eyes. Gang's all here. So if you got any allergy tips, leave them in the comments. So we're gonna take this sweet potato, I already cut off the ends, as you saw. Cut it right down the middle. If there are any real chefs out there, they're really gonna hate me for how I do this, I'm sure, because I suck at it. Cut it into kind of slices. Turn it sideways, get the same thing. Got all our taters chopped up. Take my big bowl. Throw a little olive oil in there. Let's toss it in olive oil first. So, put your taters in there with the olive oil. Start tossing them around. Get your hand in there, get dirty. Some salt. A little more. I gotta wash my hands because they're gross. Check my oil real quick. It's at 365 right now. Take that off. Oh shoot. Very careful. Alright. Just popped up a little bit. It's okay. Alright, so got the salt, got the olive oil. I'm gonna put some pepper all over this mug. Don't have to spray it, but you know what? I'm gonna spray it anyways. Hey, nobody said this was a health food show. I don't know what the other guys are gonna make, but I'm going full Alabama on this thing. So 375. Put these things in there for, I don't know, I'm just gonna set a timer for like 30 minutes. See what happens. I'm gonna put this is just a cast iron pan. I'm gonna use it to toast the buns later. So I'm gonna put it in the oven. Now it's time for the secret ingredient, the special thing. Pickles from the pickle brine juice. Cause my wife, Mackenzie, she said that you can make pickle brine. Maybe I should have thought about that before I went to the store and bought a jar of pickles and just took the pickles out and put the chicken in the pickle jar to brine it in there. But whatever. So I'm gonna make some fried pickles. Let's just see what happens. People are gonna be like, oh God, you put it in the same thing that you did the raw chicken, you're gonna die. So I'm just gonna toss these pickles in the little flour mixture. Set them off, get them ready to fry. Might as well make a few more. Okay, so now we have this big old pile of battered up pickles. Try to fry those too. See if it's worth anything. Let's check the oil. As soon as you put this chicken in there, temperature's gonna go down. So I'm gonna leave it a little bit over 300, and now it's at 290. So let it warm back up like an idiot. The trash bowl's looking good. Always clean as you go. So, I'm back. Got this little drainer here. It's actually a cooler, I guess. I don't know what you call it. So, let's go for it. This is the non-brined one. Watch your fingies. Just see where these little ones are first. Before I take out the big boy. So I got the little pieces out. Let me stick my little thermometer in them. It's at 164. That's perfect. Nice crispy fried piece of chicken. Oh yeah, looks good. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna take this, fill it up with some Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce, because I'm going to toss a couple of these pieces in that. 10 seconds left on the sweet potato fries. They're looking pretty good, actually. Good thing I'm not on chop. Chicken up front, taters in the back. Chicken up front, taters in the back. Chicken up front. Check our chicken real quick. Oh my god. What do we got? Last piece of chicken going in the fryer. I'm gonna set a timer for 6 minutes. We're also gonna put a few of these little pickles in there. Oh, it looks good and juicy. A little salt on it. Skillet. Cast iron out. Set it there for just a second. Put these boys in face down the band and pop them back in. Toast them for a sec. Let's taste these sweet potato fries. That's good. Usually takes forever to cook those. These at 375 in about 3 minutes. I'm gonna flip the chicken. I hope I ain't burnt my buns. Oh my gosh, those are perfectly toasted. So, this is what a good piece of fried chicken looks like, guys. Here's the cooled off piece so I don't burn my hand off. Pickle brine, buttermilk brine. Smells good. It looks like Chick-fil-A. Oh yeah. That was some well-used oil. I don't feel like I've wasted a bunch of oil. Look, the trash bowl. So, We got our buns. I'm gonna put a little Dukes on them. Spread the Dukes on real good. Some of y'all hate mayonnaise and freaking out right now. So I'm gonna leave a couple of them mayonnaises. Bottoms of the buns are done. I'm gonna put some Dukes on bottom too as well. Just for all you mayonnaise haters. Baby mayonnaise. Can that be my new nickname in this band? You know, like the Spice Girls, Baby Spice, Posh Spice, blah blah blah. I want to be Baby Mayonnaise. Take the small pieces, put them in here, and we just gonna toss them. Oh, looks good. I'm gonna put the non-mayonnaise on this one. Big old piece of chicken and a handful of sweet potato fries, and you got yourself an unhealthy meal. Look at that. Looks good, right? Looks good. Looks good. And then, you know what? Great value chicken dipping sauce. Oh my gosh. Get it. It's done. Carver Cookador. Cooking Commodore. Chefing Carver Commodore. Watch out. Next up, Phil or Noah or Daniel. I don't know.